Hello Sullivan West teachers and students, this is Phil and Ephraim. Today we'll be running through the distributive property for Intro to Algebra 1. I hope this helps.
So we're going to be doing number 7 here, and looks kind of difficult, but it's actually super simple. So you're just going to write it out, that way we have more space. So the distributive property, you're going to distribute this 7 to each term within the parentheses. So if you do that, it becomes 7x minus 7, and then the x stays there. Then after you've distributed that 7, you're going to combine like terms. So we have this 7x and this x. So that'll become 8x minus 7. Then you're just going to begin the x alone and solving. So you'll bring over this 7x. So you have x minus 7 equals negative 10. And you're going to bring over the negative 7, which will become plus 7. And you're left with an x equals negative 3.
Well, that about wraps up this segment. Thank you for checking out our tutorial. Be sure to like and share. Experiencing any issues, let us help. We love taking requests and working on supporting resources. Have a good day.